One of the most common questions that I get asked from current clients and prospective people who we speak with, and just in general, with their partner program, their maturity and evolution, like what stage that they're at and how do they know whether they should decide to scale or just double down on what's working or figure out like where they're at basically. So I wanted to make this video, the 5 stages of partner program development, and how you know when you're ready to advance. Most companies try to skip stages, right? They think like, okay, we got a little bit of traction. Let me go from step 1 to step 5, or like they think, okay, like I gotta go all the way to step 5. Like if we're gonna go big, go home. You know what I'm saying? Like they see a mature partner program driving 40% of revenue and think we need to build that. And listen, you can't blame them, right? Like ideally, you want to build revenue, you want to move fast, and speed is king. So they start with advanced systems, complex tier systems, sophisticated operations, and they wonder why nothing works. And the reality is that partner programs evolve through predictable stages. And when you skip a stage, you fail, right? So you got to do one stage after another. You can do them very quickly as long as you have the proper data to support it that you're making a good decision by moving on to the next stage. You don't want to waste millions. So I'll show you the exact maturity model that, difference between programs that plateau and programs that scale. The skip stage disaster, right? This is a hypothetical scenario, but I mapped it out based on things that I've seen, I have researched, and have worked and talked with. A company had raised a $50 million Series B, right? Could be you. Leadership wants a best-in-class partner program. They looked at HubSpot, Salesforce, AWS, the gold standard, right? They hired a VP partnerships from a Fortune 500 company, allocated $2 million budget, built everything, right? A partner relationship management platform, multi-tier program structure, complex certification paths, automated workflows. 18 months later, 12 partners signed, zero meaningful revenue. And that is a common story. It is very, very easy to sign partners. Very, very hard for them to actually drive revenue. So what went wrong? They built a study 5 program where they were still figuring out stage 1. Same VP that succeeded at a 10,000 partner ecosystem failed at building a 10 partner foundation. And that's because different stages require different approaches, right? Like once they reach to stage 1, it's going to be a little different than generating their first 500K partner within 6 months. Oh, misspoke. Once they reset to stage 1, they had generated this, but it is different, right? Like if you think to your own, if you're a CEO, founder, or head of sales who has scaled a company from 0 to 1, that 0 to 1 compared to like the 1 to 10 is significantly different. That 10 to 100 is so much different, right? Everything happens in different sort of dragons that you have to slay. And realistically, you can't do the same things that got from 0 to 1, the same things to 1 to 10. So here's the 5-stage partner maturity model, right? Let me hide this actually. Oh, sorry. Oh, there we go. Okay, so 5-stage partner maturity model. Every successful partner evolves through 5 predictable stages. Stage 1 is the exploration, right? They're finding the right partners, proving the concept, learning what works, building basic relationships. Everything's pretty manual at this point. Then it's the foundation, right? 5 to 15 partners, documenting what works, basic systems and processes, first dedicated resources, repeatable frameworks. Then we go to growth, right? 15 to 50 partners, scaling what works, segmentation, specialization, advanced systems, cross-functional integration. And we start scaling, right? Scale, which is of 50 to 150 partners. Optimizing partner performance, ecosystem orchestration, predictive analytics, self-serve capabilities. That's stage 5, optimization. Continuous improvement, market leadership, innovation, and experimentation platform ecosystem. Most companies get stuck at stage 2, right? Where it's documented works, basic systems, processes, first dedicated resource, repeatable frameworks. They have 10 to 50 partners but can't break through to meaningfully scale because it's difficult, right? To support all those partners and make sure they're actually bringing in good revenue versus just having a whole entire partner list that's realistically doing nothing. We'll break down each stage, right? So you want to prove that partners can actually generate revenue for your business. And what it looks like is testing different partner types, to learning which partner resonates with which customers, building basic relationships manually, tracking results in spreadsheets. The key activities is, the partner discovery, right? Interview customers about existing relationships. Identify 3 to 5 potential partner types. Test relationships with 1 to 2 partners per type. Learn what value partners actually provide. The basic systems, right? The simple partner agreements, 1 to 2 pages, manual lead tracking, quarterly business reviews, basic commission structure, and then the success metrics. At least 1 partner generates 25K plus quarterly revenue. This is a example metric, right? It depends basically on where you're at. But if you're making over 1 million, you should hope for this. at the very least. Clear understanding of partner value proposition. Customer feedback validates partner value. Basic process is documented. And the common mistakes is that they build complex systems too early, recruiting too many partners, not focusing on customer outcomes, skipping basic tracking. So stage 1 readiness check is the product market fit established, clear customer problem to solve, basic sales process working, resources to support 3 to 5 partners, and don't move to stage 2 unless you have one partner type working consistently. Why would you scale something that's not working? Stage 2, foundation, 5 to 15 partners. Builds a systematic approach to partner management. And what it will look like is documented partner process, basic partner enablement, consistent partner experience, measurable partner performance. Key systems to build is the partner program structure, clear partner tiers, usually 2 to 3, defined partner requirements, standardized benefits, performance criteria. Then the basic operations, right? Partner onboarding checklist, deal registration systems, commission calculation processes, monthly partner reviews. And then in framework of product training materials, sales collateral library, customer case studies, basic certification programs. And then we look at the performance management, partner scorecards, monthly performance reviews, quarterly business reviews, annual partner planning, and then, annual partner planning. And then success metrics, 80% plus partners actively referring, right? That's ideally what you want. 50K plus annual partner revenue, 6-month pipeline visibility, partner satisfaction score, 8 plus. This simple investment, honestly, this is honestly pretty modest as well. This simple investment is compared to 1 to 2 full-time employees, right? So it really doesn't take a rocket scientist to really do this. A rocket scientist to really do this. Once you fundamentally break it down. And the red flags you really gotta look for is the main process is breaking under load, right? So there's inconsistent partner experiences, partners competing against each other, no clear partner ROI tracking. What's part of the deal are they doing? Is there attribution? Are they sourcing the deal? Are they helping move the deal along? Are they helping after the deal? Like what stage do they get intact? And kind of doubling down on bringing them in at certain aspects to increase conversion cycles. So stage 3 growth, 15 to 50 partners, scale partner programs without breaking systems. What this looks like is partner segmentation strategy, specialized enablement approaches, advanced tracking analytics, cross-functional partner teams. And when it goes a little bit more advanced is the partner segmentation. So looking at this example of percentage of revenues for strat, growth, and transactional partners. Specialized enablement, right? And it's just enablement just for enablement, but like role-based training paths, partner-specific materials, advanced certification programs, regular partner summits. And the goal for this, like I really want to emphasize is like, don't just give them a badge and like, hey, you're good to go, right? Like this has to be something where these certification and training programs are not just about your product, but they're be about your product if it really is that technical, but really the business outcome that it's trying to solve and how you connect the solutions together and how it can connect with different integration partners that you're already targeting. Like if you're like ideally you should be creating tech partners that are adjacent to your business outcomes, and then from there, from those business outcomes, you work backwards to see what consultants that your integration partners use and use with them together, so you start creating this flywheel effect. Advanced operations, partner relationship management, platform implementation, automated workflows, partner portal deployment, advanced analytics dashboard, and then cross-functional integration, right, with marketing partner collaboration, sales partner coordination, product partner feedback loops, customer success partner alignment, and then success metrics, right, with 30 plus active partners, 2 million plus annual partner revenue. Partners contribute 20% of total revenue. Average partner productivity will just be increasing. And so when we look at that investment level, 250K to 500K annually. Stage 3 challenges you're going to notice is managing different partner types, maintaining quality at scale, complex partner interactions, resource allocation decisions. And when you advance to stage 4, partners should honestly be consistently contributing at least 25% of the revenue, right? Because this is where you really, really hit scale. And with AI and the operations aspect, where it was in the past, it was holding people back from really scaling partner programs, there is no excuse not to scale now. Really, there's no excuse. So optimize ecosystem performance and predictability, predictive partner analytics, basically in the ecosystem, what part of the stage are they finding success in? How can you double down? Ecosystem orchestration, self-service partner capabilities, advanced performance optimization. And then we look at predictive analytics, Partner performance forecasting, churn risk identification, growth opportunity analysis, automated partner matching. Then we have the ecosystem orchestration, multi-partner deal coordination, partner-to-partner collaboration, ecosystem marketing program, joint customer success initiatives, and self-service capabilities, right? So advanced partner portals, automated enablement path, self-service marketing tools, real-time performance dashboards, performance optimization with the A/B testing enablement approach, partner success predictive models, automated performance alerts, advanced partner segmentation, and then these are example success metrics, right? So realistically, this is going to be a little bit more investment, but when you're at this level of scale, like I don't imagine if you have this many partners and you're under like 50 million, like this is going to be peanuts for you realistic, or it should be peanuts if it's really driving that much revenue. Yeah, if you're 50 million and like 40%, right? So that's like, let's say 20-ish. Yeah, it is 20-ish. Yeah, 20 million. Like this is nothing. That's a 1 to 20 ROI. Like if that's 1 million. And we look at optimization, right? Which is where, okay, now you're really scaling. This is where the big enterprises go. And I like to show this because it's good to have a roadmap and work backwards from there and understand that there are different aspects so that you just cannot do when you're a startup. If you're making 1 to 10, I don't know, like a 1 to 5, you don't need anything but stage 1. In fact, click off this video or don't click off this video, but stage 1. I would, if you have 0 to 5 partners and they're not enabling, you don't have the right partners. Or you're not doing it right. I can tell you that for a fact. I know you're not giving them the right materials. It's either you don't have the right partners or you're not giving the right materials. And it's a simple problem to solve. Like it sounds harsh, but it's a simple problem to solve. There's only 2 avenues, and if one of them, like they share your same ICP, then clearly you need to learn how you need to figure out how you can communicate the business outcomes for them and properly incentivize them. So it'll look like predictive partner analytics, ecosystem orchestration, self-service partner capabilities, advanced performance optimization, predictive analytics, so partner performance forecasting, churn risk identification, growth opportunity analysis, automated partner matching, ecosystem orchestration, multi-partner deal coordination, partner-to-partner collaboration, ecosystem marketing programs, joint customer success initiatives. Oh, you already went through this. Okay. Continuous innovation and market leadership. So what this looks like is industry-leading partner programs, continuous improvement systems, innovation and experimentation, platform ecosystem dynamics. And then we look at the advanced capabilities, right? The market leadership, industry benchmark partner programs, speaking at partnership conferences, publishing partnership research, influencing industry standards, and then continuous innovation, right? The partner program experimentation, new partnership model testing, tech innovation integration, future focus planning, and then we look at platform dynamics, network effects between partners, partner ecosystem marketplace, API-driven partner integrations, community-driven growth, and we look at ecosystem intelligence, market trend analysis, competitive ecosystem mapping, customer journey optimization, then predictive market modeling with the success metrics, like an example like this. So the characteristics of this are programs other benchmark against, like the Salesforce, the HubSpot, like the AWS. Ecosystem drives company strategy, which you'll find in plenty of multi-billion-dollar organizations. Partners influence product roadmap, and continuous innovation and optimization. So huge mistakes we're seeing is you're building stage 4 systems when you need stage 2 foundations. Build for your current stage plus 1 stage ahead, no more. The biggest mistake we're also saying is that people tend to stay too long as well. Like I know I just berate you on like, hey, like you got to stay in your lane. You got to figure out what's working. But getting comfortable with stage 2 when you should advance, it's only going to hurt you. It's growth is difficult, and there's always going to be pain no matter if staying or growing or regressing. So if you're growing and you're seeing a positive ROI and the data supports it, go for it. Wrong success metrics, making sure the right ones. Stage 1 metrics to measure stage 3 performance. Update success metrics as you advance stages because they're going to be different. Underinvesting, right? Trying to reach next stage without adequate investment. Understands that you have to commit to advancement, right? It's going to take some time, especially as you scale up and up. So some assessment frameworks is 0 to 5 partners, manual tracking, testing different approaches, no formal processes. Stage 2 indicators, 5 to 15 partners, basic documentation, consistent processes, dedicated part-time resources. Stage 3 indicators, 10 to 50 15 to 12, 15 to 50 partners, partner segmentation, advanced systems, full-time partner team. Stage 4 indicators, 50 plus partners, predictive analytics, ecosystem thinking, cross-functional integration. Then stage 5 indicators, 100 plus partners, market leadership, continuous innovation, industry influence, your advanced readiness. So reality is 60%, which is likely someone who's watching this, is stage 1 or earlier. 25% are stage 2 building foundation, 10% are scaling growth, 4% are systematic scale, 1% are optimization. If you're a stage 2, you're already ahead of 85% of the companies. Stage 3, top 15. Stage 4 or 5, you're creme de la crop. So most companies get stuck at stage 2 when there's massive competitive advantage of actually advancing systematically. So if we had to progress systematically, where we would go is on a stage assessment. Where are you really? Right? Don't inflate. Don't make up the data. Like I know you want to grow, but if the data does not support it, you're only going to hurt yourself in the long run. What metrics prove your current stage? What's blocking advancement? And then the next stage requirements: what capabilities do you need to build? What investment is required? What timeline is required? What timeline is realistic? Advanced roadmap. The 90-day foundation building, 6-month capability development, 12-month full advancement. And then we look at stage 4 success metrics, or stage 4, step 4, current stage optimization metrics, advancement progress indicators, next stage readiness criteria. Stage advancement takes 12 to 18 months when done right. So plan accordingly.